La 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 la. Chicken yun, guys. Parang kala mo longganisa. Siyempre yun sa baho. And egg. Kumusta naman? How are you guys? How's your day doing there? Me, I'm just eating and enjoying my food. Super yummy, super Well, it's still healthy naman, guys, yung kinakain ko. And this one is a cucumber juice. So, wala namang latest ngayon, guys, kundi ang maghintay because next week, Wednesday, is 25th, our Christmas day. So, alanganing araw, guys. Hopefully, may mga bonus na kayo dyan. Ako, meron na. So, yun lang, guys. And thank you again. Thank you.